Hello YouTube, and welcome to this S.E.K tool corner. Today we're gonna open this box I bought used on the net. Paid like $80 around equivalent. So let's see if we can open this back. Okay, put that a bit aside from plastic. Okay, let's see what we have here. First off, some sockets from Biltema. 10, 11 and 9. Iron side 13. More plastic wrap. New sockets. Kamasa 14. Kamasa tools 22. Short. Tank tools T10. Haset, spark plug, leaf 20.8 or 13. I think it's equivalent to 21. Tank tool, wobble extension. See the pin is missing. The ball is a S.E.K 13, 6 point. Kamasa tool 12. Quite some sockets. 15mm Kamasa. More Kamasa 9mm. And a long socket from Kamasa tools 15mm. Nice, the long ones. Here the wobble extension is taped. I believe it's sloppy in the joint. And a 16mm from Biltema. Kamasa tools 19. Nitten is in Norwegian, so if you're wondering, this is like wobble extension, great, a bit firm. And here we have 21mm spark plug socket from no name. 18mm no name socket for spark plugs. Wobble extension from Kamasa. This has the ball in place, a bit used. Create extension from Craftsman of all. Not used to so many of this in Norway. 17mm. Let's see if it's made in the USA. Probably the good stuff. Kamasa 10mm long pipe. Socket 15mm from Kamasa and 14 from Biltema. Some paper. Quite so much stuff here. 11mm from Kamasa. 8mm from Kamasa. 22mm Kamasa tools. And here we have a 7mm from S.E.K hex bolt. 12mm from Kamasa tools. More plastic. And some more sockets. Let's take the sockets first. We have an 8mm from Biltema. 17 from Kamasa tools, 16 from Kamasa. I believe there's many Kamasa here. 19mm from Kamasa tools, 20mm, same brand, 18mm Kamasa, 20mm Kamasa. Seems like there's some duals. 8mm Kamasa. I like these long sockets, you call it in and I has it 16 with spark plug name on. And here we have a Kamasa tool 17. That's been ground down, or probably ground. And 18mm Kamasa. Quite a lot of sockets. 11mm Kamasa tool. 9mm long sockets. 20mm. All Kamasa so far. 19mm. 21mm. And what we have here is like 8mm Kamasa. I'm getting to the end of the sockets. And this 10mm Kamasa. 10mm is always useful. 22mm, I believe it's there's a couple of dupes here. 17mm. All these are in 3/8. 13mm. Still Kamasa. 9mm. 12mm Kamasa. Here we have a S.E.K 3/8. 7mm. Yeah, 7mm. And 11mm no name. Still a Biltema, 10mm. Biltema is like Harbor Freight or cheaper brand. No name extension. Bit of marking on the edge. And used a bit for hitting, I believe, when the pole is still working. Okay. And here we have wood 45 torques. Seems quite okay. And let's see on the ratchets. Oh, I have a box. Iron side box with sockets ranging from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19. This is a Biltema, and 20 and 22. Doesn't seem to have been used much. Seem quite new. These are a bit of rust. So almost new. And here we have a zebra extension. 8 inches or 20 centimeters, I believe. And breaker bar, S.E.K. it says. I don't know. Okay, so one more wobble extension from S.E.K. it says. I don't know about that brand, but like it's 12 inches, probably more. This seems quite useful. And then it's some ratchets. First off, cheap Biltema. And tank tools. Part number is PT3800. Tank tools are quite popular in Norway. And we have snap-on. H80. So, zebra from Word. And lastly, a box with a S.E.K 237 38S1. No, it's only a ball here. It's not like it stands, but you probably take this apart and oil it. Most of the ratchets, clean them up. Okay, thanks for watching. This was today's tool haul. About $70–80 for all this. I think it's quite a bargain. Okay, see you around.